Hi, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you to this episode of All Things Lean. My name is Madhulika Rajahan, mother, author, green energy enthusiast, and a certified Lean Six Sigma black belt expert. In today's episode of All Things Lean, we will talk about circular design. Circular design is the practice of creating durable, reusable, repairable, and recyclable products that generate zero waste to support a circular economy. In circular design, designers consider all stages of a product's life cycle and ensure that it is sustainable from manufacturing to disposal. Some examples of decisions involved in a circular designs are about raw material. What is the source material? How can we extract it sustainably? Product specifications. Is the product reusable, repairable, and recyclable? Manufacturing process. Is it energy efficient and does it generate any waste? Distribution and use. How much energy does it take to deliver and use the product or service? Where does this energy come from? And lastly, disposal. Can the product be dismantled? Can we use the parts as is in a manufacturing process again? Can we return the raw materials to earth? Let's look at the three principles of circular design. The first principle talks about eliminate. Eliminate waste and pollution, including toxic substances that harm the soil and water, and reduce emissions. Almost every product generates waste, so we need to redesign everything. Design plays a key role here. Secondly, circulate products and materials at their highest value for as long as possible. A recycled product must be energy efficient in a recycling process. Further recycling should not result in sustainably inferior product. For example, we can build machines to last a longer time and be dismantleable so manufacturers, services provider can easily repair their parts and reuse them in new products. They should be recyclable so we do not mine more resources from the earth. Thirdly, regenerate natural systems by returning natural resources to the earth. For example, we can convert food waste to compost and return it to soil to regenerate the farmlands. Circular design isn't easy, but it's definitely possible. We can start by learning about different materials and new techniques to manufacture, shift from a product mindset to a systems mindset, transform business models from selling products to selling services and experiences. Circular design is essential to create a circular economy and ultimately a healthy, life sustaining planet. Given the precarious state of the planet, it is imperative that we adopt circular design as fast as possible and secure a better future. We need to understand, in order to reverse the harm, that nature is circular. It works on a certain premise. Nothing ever goes waste. The banana peel we discard degenerates into nutrition compost for plants. Even the remains of diseased animals and humans disintegrate into the soil. Human engineering and design, on the other hand, are a linear process, and that has put a one way highway to global wastelands. How can we move from a linear economy to a more circular one? Is the question. Today we have a linear economy. We collect raw materials from the earth, we transform the raw materials into products which we sell to the consumers. When the products are not working as long or when they are not trendy anymore, we consumers discard them as waste. A circular economy generates zero wastes. Once a component enters the cycle, it continues to be of use for a longer time. And once it is unusable, it can degrade naturally. To create a circular economy, people from different disciplines must work together. think strategically about materials and ensure that they are reusable. Today, manufacturers combine different materials, natural materials, to create artificial materials. While the original components of these new materials degenerate naturally, the artificial ones, once made, cannot be unmade. One of the biggest challenges, thus, is the conflict between circular manufacturing and aesthetics. In an attempt to make something that is small, thin, and lightweight, companies have made it impossible to reuse material because they've combined them in ways that are difficult or even impossible to separate. This conflict between aesthetics and circularity is challenging, but with concern and concerted action, an excellent opportunity for business can be achieved. With this, we come to an end to this edition of All Things Lean. We will continue to talk more about circularity and circular economy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment in the comment box about what you'd like to hear more. Until next time, this is your host, Madhulika Rajahan, signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead.